Ako, lalagyan ko siya ng mulch. So, yung mulch guys na ginagamit ko is Canada Red, which is, it says Canada Red mulch, pero hindi siya red guys. Brown siya. Dark brown and mabango. I like the smell. So, ganito po siya guys. Spread ko lang dito. Then, ano po siya para makover yung mga weed. At the same time, may ground cover ako dito guys. Diba? I like the color of Canada. Canada Red. So second bag na tayo guys. Cut natin ito. Kasi it's in the way. Tadan! So guys, tapos na po. Everything is done. Tingnan po natin. Ayan po guys. Tapos na siya. And that's everything. Thank you for watching. Ito po yung walkway. Ano yan po yung mulch. Guys, di ba napakaganda? I like all the colorful impatient around it.